Hey, it's Carolyn here, Thousand Islands RV Center. We're hanging with Nick from Forest River in one of our new models here. This is the brand new 2019 Forest River Wildwood FSX, and it's the 179 DBK. Nick's gonna go through some of the new features on this new 219 floor plan. Hey, Nick.
Hi there. So this floor plan is pretty unique. The most unique thing about it is the whole layout fits in a single axle trailer, so it's super lightweight. Our FSX series for Wildwood is all minivan and SUV towable. So what we're seeing here today is right about 3,200 pounds. And it's going to have a lot of the features that you'll find in like a big 35-foot either bunkhouse or fifth wheel, but crammed into a really small 17-foot box. So right up at the front, we can kind of start. You're going to see you've got a Murphy bed at the front here, but you've also got a sofa. And in our small trailers, it's always a either or situation. So for us to have both is quite nice. Underneath the sofa, you've got full pass-through storage. So big 30-inch baggage doors on the outside, on both sides that you can access. And then opposite each sofa arm is both USB and 110 outlets. So the USBs are 12 volt. If you guys
take a little look at that.
Yeah, if you guys are dry camping somewhere up in Ontario, you can still charge your phones even off the battery or just when it's connected to your car, which is quite nice. You've also got good storage at the front here for your hanging shirts with a mini wardrobe. One of the big design challenges this year was, could we get more light into these tiny small trailers? And what you're seeing here is a huge 60-inch window, and we've got it right on the campsite looking out onto your fire or seeing your family, friends outside. And then that's flanked here by a pretty wide dinette. This is actually a 2-and-2, so a 4-person dinette if you're going to seat it that way. A lot of times you're seeing a 1-and-1 dinette in these smaller trailers. And remember, this is only 7.5 feet wide intentionally, so you can see around it in your SUV. So that's great to be able to look out onto your campsite. You've still got tons of storage above. You didn't really lose anything there. And then behind us, you're seeing, this is pretty unique for this size. Again, the double bunks is something that hasn't been done yet. We worked really hard to achieve that. And you've again got USBs in here for the kiddos. You've got a window in each bunk. The window opens if you're going to ventilate it at night or keep it cool or warm. And also, without having a wall here, you're going to let tons of light, again, back to the windows idea. Lots of light flooding in here. And we don't have the lights on in here today. This is not connected, and you can see quite well. In the bathroom, again, one of the biggest requests I got last year is we want a sink in the bathroom, even though it's a very small trailer. So we've got that for you now. We've got storage under the sink here as well. We've got an outlet for curling irons, blow dryers, and then no tub in here, even though it's a bunkhouse. We feel like the shower pan is a much better way to do it. Leaves you a vent for extra headroom for the tall guys. And actually, you do have a lot of room in here. You're really not that cramped. For, again, a 17-foot box, this is pretty good. In the kitchen, we've got kind of my #1 request from last year was we want a big refrigerator in a very small trailer. So this is the same size, again, same content, same size refrigerator we're using in our larger fifth wheels and travel trailers, but we've got it in here for you as well. And then USBs, again, we've got 4 of them in this small coach, an outlet for your coffee makers, and then a really big sink. Same sink I use in my bigger trailers is in here now as well, with a high-rise faucet, so you can put your pots and pans or your babies if you're going to wash them in the sink there. Ample storage above. You've got split level storage there. You've got good storage under the sink as well. And then one drawer for forks, knives, that sort of thing. A 2-burner cooktop, and then a microwave. The last thing here, when you receive your unit, this is the new stereo we're doing. It's from Boss. It's got AM, FM, Bluetooth to your phone. It is waterproof. You can charge your iPhone off it. This will be in every unit. It charges off all those different USBs that we showed you. You've also got one outside kitchen on this unit with a USB as well. So if you want to take that out there and blast, the radio by the fire, that's a great thing to do as well. Take it to the beach. It's not just contained only to your coach. You can take this anywhere you want.
Trying to see if we can get this covered on the outside. We're a little bit loud close to the highway. So what do we got here, Nick?
So you've got an outside kitchen prep station. Essentially, you've got good storage. You've got USBs and extra 110 outlets. You've got a small fridge as well. You've also got a spray port with a hose if you're going to spray your boots off when you're coming in on a muddy day. last thing that's hard to see here, Carolyn, you've got your quick connection for your LP. So if you're going to use a cooktop or a burner out here, you can actually pull the gas right from the main coach itself. So that's all the different items you would need contained in a small outside kitchen. You can see we've got a huge 14-foot awning on this. So all that cooking and campsite activity you're doing out here is covered. Up here towards the front, we've got now a double step with a bigger grab handle. So if you're going to try and go in and out, that should be much easier. And it's super windy today, so this is kind of a good demonstration. This is called a friction hinge door. So no matter how windy it is, this is not going to slam shut and pull out of your coach or hit somebody. It's pretty safe to use now, so that's nice too. This is the pass-through storage we talked about. Right now the spare tire is stored in there. That'll mount on your bumper when you take possession of this unit. But you have these big doors on both sides. And yeah.
That's about it.
That's about it.
Thanks a lot, Nick. Thanks for going through the features of the new 219 Wildwood FSX 179 DBK.
Yeah. Thanks to Thousand Islands for taking the product on. I think it's going to be a great seller and good for a lot of families this coming season. So hopefully you guys love it.